This may look like an ordinary home purchase offer, but we've included some unique provisions to help our clients win a bidding war and secure the home of their dreams. I'm Vanessa Fauquier with Remax Platinum Realty, and here in Sarasota and Manatee area, we're experiencing a strong market. There are good opportunities for buyers. We've got some great ways to help our buyers explore and compare their options and make good, compelling offers that take advantage of the current market opportunities. Our best tip: configure the offer around the seller's specific needs and goals. That could include a specific time frame for closing on the home, a quick home inspection, an attractive amount of earnest money. There are a lot of different terms that go into each offer, and any one of them could be the tipping point that gets the seller to accept your offer at a price you're willing to pay. So it takes a skilled buyer's agent to reach out to the agent who represents the seller and really figure out what is most important to their client. And then we write an offer that highly appeals to those interests while still getting the best possible deal for their buyers. Want more information on the negotiation strategy we use to write compelling offers for our buyer clients? Reach out for a free consultation.